First of all, you open your Capcut, then you scroll to the video when you want to remove the background from. You click the video, then for the button you scroll, you see remove BG, then you see auto remover. You understand? You can click your stroke and I swear remove it. Then you understand? You see the way the background take come out. You understand? So very clean. If you still play around with the stroke in terms of like to click the size, so that's it. So for the system on, maybe these two, you go, you import, you bring in a video when you want to. We are still going to bring that same video. We'll bring that same video. Okay, yeah, this is the video. You drag to the timeline, then you click on. Then for your right hand side, you click that remove BG and auto remover, just like the way you saw it on the phone. It's gonna remove. Then if you still play with your stroke, you understand, just like what I tell you for the other one. If you play with the stroke, like if you like the stroke, you put the stroke. If you don't like the stroke, you leave them blank like that. You understand? After all, the main purpose is just to come out the BG, which is the background. Yeah, just play with everything. Play with everything, you get your results. You see the results when you define, that's it. So now I want to just do one small thing, join. I just want to drag one wallpaper, put like to just make you see how the thing be. You understand? For your case, if you not put wallpaper, you still say you won't put, as in, when I say wallpaper, background. You understand? So you can see the process. All right. If you still adjust the background the way you want, you understand? If you still just adjust them, I just want me to see that person for the ending. You know, may just give her one kind of vibe, like see that person they press something, you know, like the person they work on something, you know, that kind of shit. So I say yours be very clean, like very good.